Dreydl, dreidel on page 6 of the yellow book. In this piece, we're going to start the first note, open A, with an up bow, since that is called a pickup note. Make sure that you're going to use the full length of the bow for the fast quarter note beats, and you also have a dotted half note, which gets a total of 3 beats. I'm going to put my metronome on at this speed for now, so we get a practice at using the entire length of the bow from the frog to tip and tip to frog. So playing position, please. Make sure your thumb is at the side of the neck, pointing up toward the ceiling. You have a space right underneath your thumb. Fingers hover over your strings. Your bow hold is secure and firm with the fingers spread apart. And you're going to again start on the up bow on the A string, so right here. Let's start on beat 4. So I'll give you beat 3 and then we start on the 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. One, 2, 3. And then put your violin down.